She's just a crazy lady from El Paso. You're watching the Becky Funky Fresh Show.
I used to work at the Irving Schwartz Public Library in El Paso, Texas. Due to the pandemic, we closed to the public in early April and then completely closed a week later. Because of a huge budget shortfall caused by the pandemic, the city of El Paso had to furlough almost all library staff, and I was one of them. You see that long window to the left? That's where my desk used to be. I recently went back to the library to gather my things. I don't think the libraries will be reopening anytime soon. So what do I do now? I get creative and I start this YouTube channel that I've been thinking about for years. I had wanted to make videos about the history of El Paso, and I wanted to use books from my library's reference section, which has very old books that aren't allowed to leave the library. But since that is no longer a possibility, at least for now, maybe I could have a friend who still works at the library sneak me in. But for today, I will be doing an unboxing video, showing all of the things I boxed up and took home from the library. This is my Hello Kitty tumbler given to me by my friend Lindy. I love Hello Kitty. I'm a big tea drinker, but I like to drink it cold. I just put it in a glass of water, I let it steep for a while, and then I drink it like that. Okay, this one doesn't taste too good. Don't recommend. But this sweet tangerine positive energy yogi tea, 10 out of 10. Love it, love it, love it. These are my Be Happy cards given to me by my friend Karina. Let's open one. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Oprah Winfrey. Okay, this is one of my favorite things. I made suggestion cards. Somebody wrote, my butt. This is a birthday card from Miss Delphina, our Friends of the Library volunteer. And she colored that herself. And I'm on the top left. This was given to me by one of the little kids that would come often to the library, and to me it looks like a work of art, and I love it, and I had it up at my library. Here's an El Paso sticker from the pizza joint. The pizza joint makes my favorite pizza. I have this hanging up at my desk, and it's a comic from the New York Times. Here's another comic from the New York Times. And this is something I made for a teen hangout event. You can make your own stickers. You just draw on paper, you put clear tape on top, and then you wet the paper, you peel the paper away, and it makes a sticker. Here's a little ghost with sunglasses. I made him on Canva. I would make a lot of our posters and flyers on Canva. Here's photos of my Pekingese Louie. Look at that little tooth. Oh, he's the sweetest. You find all kinds of interesting things at the library, and here was a Sabrita sticker. Te llaman la reina del party. The Sergio Troncoso Public Library is named after the author Sergio Troncoso, and I picked up this bookmark when he came in to promote his newest book, A Peculiar Kind of Immigrant Son. He's very inspirational, and if you ever have the chance to hear him speak, I highly recommend it. Ooh, these are my sunglasses, a birthday present from my friend Debbie. And those are all 100% real diamonds. And I look amazing when I put them on. Oh, and here's my Camp Snoopy glass. I'm pretty sure I bought 3 at the thrift store. I took 3 into work. And when I was cleaning out my desk, I could only find 2. So, you do the math. When I went to pick up my things at the library, I asked if I could take home some seeds. The El Paso Public Library has a free seed library program where you can check out, we call it checkout, but you can take home 5 seed packets per season. This is my little ghost friend. I found him at a thrift store, and legend has it that if you rub his tummy, he'll haunt your coworkers. And this is my Hot Mess Express mug. It was a present from my friends, Derek and Michael. Thank you very much, guys. It's very fitting. And here's a plastic machine gun that I found in the children's section. Nobody ever came to claim it, so I happily put it on my desk. I'm studying to be a librarian at Texas Women's University, and this was a little present they gave to us students. Class of 2020, baby! I'm graduating this December, hopefully, fingers crossed. I'm a big SpongeBob fan, and this is my SpongeBob lanyard, and I don't know what to do with it now. I don't need a lanyard now, so... And here's my City of El Paso, Texas lanyard. I don't know what to do with these. And these are my desk lights. We have flamingos and we have pineapples. This was a gift from my mom. This is a thank you card from my friends Alex and Armando. They invited me to their beautiful, beautiful wedding. And this is my thank you card. This is my flamingo tape dispenser. It's not that easy to snap the tape off its head, but fashion before everything, and my desk had to look fabulous. And here is my gold tape dispenser. Love it. Here's my El Paso Public Library notepad. This was a gift from my friend Jessie. So pretty, so positive, shine bright. Thank you for the lovely sentiment, Jessie. I got this from a Yogi tea bag. In the beginning is you, in the middle is you, and in the end is you. And I kept that little tea tag because it reminded me of my grandmother, who would always say, Primero soy yo, después soy yo, y al final soy yo. That was like her saying. And I was like, wow, a message from my grandma. Here's my good luck unicorn, which came in a Valentine from my friends Derek and Michael. Oh, and this is the save the date card from my friend and coworker Karina. She was going to have her wedding celebration in April, and due to the pandemic, she had to postpone it. Oh, and here's my flamingo stapler, which was also hard to use, but had to make it look cute. Here are my pens, my cactus pen, my other cactus pen. That was actually a baby shower favor that I got at my friend Jessica's baby shower. And oh, hey, look, there's a moth. Is it alive? This is my selenite crystal that I keep at my desk for uplifting energy. And this is my green fluorite for peacefulness. And that was everything I had at my desk at the Irving Schwartz Public Library. Will I ever go back? I don't know. But like I said, I plan on making videos for YouTube, being creative, having fun, and staying busy. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe and follow along. Until next time!